Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Firstly, you can share using conversation this photo to another account, or we can create a link. So let's open Google Photos application. Let's say I wanna send this picture. So you need to click share at the left bottom, and if you have iOS right here, you have four options to say it, how to share them. We need to the first method, so we need to use send in Google Photos. If you have Android, you will have right here more options. We have 5 options, and you need to select send in Photos. Now let's do this. Right here at the top, write the name of this account, or phone number or email. I'm going to write the email. And click next or send, and send. Now we just send this photo in the application. So usually you can open Google Photos, click at the notification icon, then at the 3 dots, and conversation. Then you will see the conversation with this email what you sent this photo, but right now I have the problem that I cannot use the conversation. I don't know why. I'm trying to send it nothing, and the same when I send from another account. But usually you will have it. Maybe I have just some bug. Okay, next, you can also, it will show to you this link at the Gmail, so you can use the Gmail. Now let's update it, and I should have the information that I sent this photo, but we haven't it here. So you will have something like this. You need to just open this email, click view photo, and then it will open for you this conversation, as you can see. So you just select the photo, then 3 dots, then load. And if you enable backups on the in the application right here, we have it. You can click on it and enable it. You will have this photo. Also, we can send the link. So let's say I wanna send. Let's do this from the iPhone. Let's say I wanna send pictures from today. I select today, then click share. Now this time I'm going to use the link, so I need to click get the link. If you have Android, you will have create link, tap at this line. So did we have the link? So on Android devices it's much better, because on Android devices when you create the link, it will ask you where you can send it, and you need to select Gmail or maybe something else. You can also use some messenger, it's up to you, but as you can see on iOS we haven't this link, so we need to go to the Gmail, then send this picture. Okay, now let's. Can I? Okay, we just passed the link, but as I said, on Android you have easiest way to send it. Let's call it photos and send it. And then you can enter to the Gmail on your second account. Did we have this link? yeah, we have it. So tap at the link, open the link. Then we need to wait a bit. Okay, so I used the second phone. I don't know, something wrong with this device. It cannot open the link. I can open it on another devices, but not on this Realme. So when you open the link, you will see something like this. You need to click at the three dots at the right top and click Save Photos. Okay, we just did it. Now, if you have the backup enabled, it will save to photo on your phone and you will see them in the application. So right here we have the links. We have these photos here, and also we have them right here, so it's 2028. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.